This is Insta360's new power selfie stick. Today we're going to take a look at this, a closer look, and see what you can do with this thing, tell you all about it. It's really impressive and another must-have accessory from Insta360. Okay, so here it is. It is a power bank stick, basically a lot like their invisible selfie stick. It is, of course, invisible as well. It's got controls here as well, so controlled by Bluetooth. You control the camera. At the moment you can use it with the Insta360 One X2. It will be compatible very soon with the Insta360 One RS and One R as well. It's pretty much the selfie stick with built-in power. It's got 4,500 milliamp battery inside here, which will give you 3 times the power that you get from any normal battery from the Insta360 lineup. It's charged by USB-C. It also has 2 USB ports up here on the head. Now, if you want to extend this is extendable as well, which is brilliant, and you can still extend it whilst having the power plugged in. The actual head itself extends as well with the battery power, so it's still plugged into the camera and you can extend it. That's really good feature. We've got buttons here, one to check the charge of the battery stick, one to turn it on and off, which turns the camera on and off as well, and the record button or take a photo button there as well. So it will work, like I said, with the Insta360 One X2 at the moment. This is how you operate it with these 3 buttons here. Of course, we've got the charge button, so we press that and it gives you a little indication of what charge you've got. You can actually turn the Insta360 One X2 on and off with this selfie stick, so you just press that button and it will turn on like so. Just like that. And then the record button is obviously to start and stop recording, so we can press record, it will start recording, and we press it again, it will stop. It's really responsive as well. You will need to update your Insta360 One X2 to work with this, but there is a software update. You've probably done it already if you've got this camera, because as soon as you connect it to the app, it says there's a firmware update available, and that makes it compatible with the new power selfie stick. So that's how to operate it. Really simple, and yeah, I love this thing so far. Also, I've just found out if you one touch the power button, it changes the mode. So you can change the mode as well. So you one touch the power button to filter through the modes, and you hold it down to turn it on and off. Mind blown. It comes with this built-in lead as well, which plugs into the camera, and you can plug it either side depending on which way your camera is rotated. So you've got 2 ports up here and it will start charging, as you can see straight away. This nice screw top sort of mount that we've got here mounts to all the Insta360 cameras, the RS with the cage, and straight to the X2 here as well. So it's got the 1/4 inch mount, so you can attach it right to the top. It's built like a tank. It feels really well made. The grip down here is really smooth. We've of course got a 1/4 inch mount on the bottom, so you can add this to a tripod, something like this. I've got a small one just lying around where you could screw to the bottom like that, and then you could stand this up somewhere like so. So again, this is another must-have accessory if you're an Insta360 camera user. Of course, the battery is much improved, especially on the new Insta360 One RS. It's 21% better. Adding this just adds it another level. It really does. You can shoot all day with this built-in battery. Once it runs out, all you have to do is charge it by USB-C to get it fully charged up again. You can keep track of the battery here with the battery indicator here on the handle, so you know exactly how much charge you've got left in there. Really do like it, and it's something we've been waiting for from Insta360 for a while now, and I'm glad it's finally here. So that is the power selfie stick from Insta360. Make sure you do stay tuned, because we're going to be doing follow-up videos, testing it extensively, different setups with different cameras over the next weeks and months. So make sure you do stay tuned for all those uploads coming up really soon. Really impressed with this. I'm so glad that it's come, and it's much needed in the Insta360 lineup. Really excited. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to know any more information about this stick and other Insta360 stuff in the comments down below. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one. See you soon, guys. Bye.